Yes, ma'am.
Maayong hapon po. I'm April from Davao City. And, makaila po po. VP, most of our group today is nurses from Germany. We would just like to ask if we can apply maybe as a volunteer for a personal nurse for President Duterte. I can speak German, I can speak Dutch, I can speak English, and of course, Bisaya. Yes.
I'll have to ask the lawyers, ma'am.
Yes, please, VP.
If that is something that can be done
Yeah.
within the rules of the detention center. And then
I have both the residents, VP Sara. Resident po ako ng Holland, ng Netherlands, and resident din po ako ng Germany.
sabi nung iba dito, ma'am, na illegal. Sana all daw.
Opo, dati po ako nakatira dito since 2008 until 2023. Pero lumipat po ako ng Germany kasi mas maganda po ang offer nila doon. I'm operating room nurse po. And I can guarantee.
Pwede yan. Actually, hindi pa namin napag-usapan yan, ma'am. Ang napag-usapan kasi namin doon, paano yung pagluluto. What about ibigay mo
Marunong din po magluto ng taxi o BP. Lahat ng Bisaya po.
One-stop shop ka pala.
package na, bigyan mo ng pasok na.
Just do pay. If ever. Actually, I submitted already an application to Sir Alex Into Monteagudo. He's actually my cousin. And also to Sir Bongo. Sa inyo, hindi ko po masubmit kasi hindi po kayo basta-basta ma-message sa page niyo po.
Opo, wala po akong
Opo.
access sa messenger.
And kay Ma'am Hanilat din po, nakarating na po yung application ko. But I don't know kung nakarating na po sa inyo.
Marami na nakakilala kay Jaira, ma'am. Jaira
Jaira?
Madrona sa
Okay.
sa Vice President.
Sa kanya ko po ba dapat isubmit? All my credentials po.
Pwede po.
Sige po, gagawin ko po.
Liaison namin sa
Silpi na lang pati.
Pakiulit po ulit ng name.
Jaira Madrona.
Jaira Mandrona. Paki-search guys. Opo. Sige po, VP. Sasabit po ako ng application.
Yes, ma'am.